Hi guys, welcome back. It is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make vegan king oyster mushrooms with dried chili sauce. Hope you like it. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: king oyster mushrooms, peppercorns, dried chili, ginger, garlic. Please ignore carrot as I have forgotten to add in. Tear the king oyster mushroom into strips. I think it is easier to tear it apart to cut at the bottom. Add water in wok and bring it to boil. Add king oyster mushrooms and cook until softened. Remove king oyster mushrooms from wok. Soak into cold water and squeeze dry. Chopped ginger. Cut dried chilies into small pieces. Sauce seasoning: 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Stir-fry king oyster mushrooms until release fragrance. Add ginger, dried chili, chopped garlic, and peppercorn. Stir-fry to release fragrance. Add seasoning sauce. Smells so good. Plate mushrooms. Delicious stir-fry king oyster mushrooms with dried chilies is ready to be eaten. This is a highly recommended recipe. Remember to try it at home. This recipe is simple to make, but the taste is really rich and delicious. The taste of the King Oyster Mushroom is particularly delicious. The more you eat, the more addictive it becomes. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. King oyster mushrooms is an edible mushroom that grows in the Mediterranean region of Europe, the Middle East, and North Africa, but also in parts of Asia. The mushroom has an almond aroma, thick flesh, a fresh taste, a fragrant flavor, and rich nutrition. It can be cooked into dozens of delicious dishes. Enoki mushrooms, Pleurotus ENG, and oyster mushrooms are mostly grown in sterile space bags or bottles. No chemical agents are required during the growth process. You only need to remove sawdust and cut off the roots. In fact, there is no need for special cleaning. It is recommended to use a brush or after wiping with a paper towel. You can heat the food directly. There are 3 types of people who should exercise moderation or avoid eating king oyster mushrooms: those who are allergic to mushrooms, those who have potassium restrictions, and those with poor intestinal function. King oyster mushrooms are rich in fiber and can easily cause bloating and diarrhea, so people with poor intestinal function should be careful. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.